How to unpause location on Life360. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's guide you through the steps of how to unpause the location. So make sure you watch till the very end. First of all, launch your 360 application and then tap on the gear icon which is present on the top left corner. Once you tap on it, tap on the third option which says location sharing. If you have paused your location currently, it will see the location such as toggled off option, as you can see in the screen below. Now, in order to unpause it, just toggle it on and it will change the color to purple, which means that you have successfully unpaused the location. Hopefully, this video was helpful. That is all for today's video. Feel free to leave any comment if you have got questions. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.